So here's the spread of all of the toys that we're going to be playing with today on the Atom Project, just on this table. Let me be clear about that. There's a couple of toys behind me. There's just a few of the toys that we actually have. In future videos, we're going to get into that. Just what's in the shop is a 4x8 CNC plasma cutter from these guys over my shoulder here. And I also have a SaneSmart miniature CNC router that was given to me for fun. We're going to play around with it. Absolutely great for someone that wants to learn about CNC or 3D printing. Comes as individual parts, you put it together, figure out how to program the firmware and how to make things and stuff like that. It's actually a really good entry into CNC. This is considered like a pro-consumer CNC plasma cutter. A lot of businesses literally run off of this unit. It's not unrealistic for someone to have something like this in a home shop because it's super affordable. I mean, this is less than, of course I had to build it, I had to put it together, but complete this unit costs less than an average used car today. With the Hypertherm that we got with it, which is a 45, it runs around $10,000 when all is said and done, a little bit more. In future videos, we're going to get into playing around with this and possibly the CNC router. I also have 3 different types of 3D printers, welders, but today we're going to work on mechanical stuff with the JeepXJ and see if we get the cooling system back working the way that it should be. Thanks.